Do you know your phone camera can help you make money online by selling photos? You don't need a professional camera for this. Photo taken on your phone. All you need to do is to take photo with your phone, expand it into a more detailed set, and you can easily turn your everyday photos into money-making opportunity. If you love snapping pictures, you can sell them as stock photos to businesses, content creators, and marketers who are always looking for fresh, authentic images. There are several platforms where you can sell your photos, even if you are just a beginner. Some of the best apps and websites to sell stock photos include EyeEm, a popular app where you can upload smartphone photos. It has a marketplace where brands and agencies buy images, websites, and more. Shutterstock Contributor is also a well-known stock photo platform. You can upload your smartphone photos, and every time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. Adobe Stock. You can sell your photo to Adobe Stock and have access to millions of potential buyers. Use Adobe Creative Suite to design projects. This app allows you to upload photos, and if they get sold, you earn 50% commission of the sales price. Brands often post photos where you can submit specific images to win higher payout. The steps you need to know is to download the app, take high quality sellable photo. You just have to take high quality sellable photos. Now that you have picked a platform, let's talk about taking photos that we actually sell. You don't need to be a professional photographer to make money from stock photographs. Here are a few tips to maximize your earning potential. You have to focus on popular categories. Those of nature, cities, food, technology, and people doing everyday activities are always in high demand. Natural lighting is key. Good lighting can make a huge difference in your photo quality. Aim to take pictures during the day using natural light whenever possible. Experiment with different angles and composition to create visually appealing images. Use the grid feature on your phone's camera to align your shoot properly. Take multiple shots. When shooting a subject, take several shots from different angles and perspectives. This increases your chances of having one that is perfect for selling. Step 3, you have to edit your photos with free apps. Before you upload your photo for sales, it's very important to make them look as professional as possible. There are some free and easy to use editing apps you can download on your phone. Snapseed. Snapseed is a powerful editing app by Google that allows you to enhance colors, adjust brightness, and even remove unwanted objects from your phone. Lightroom Mobile. Simplified version of Adobe Lightroom. This app gives you professional editing capabilities like adjusting exposure, contrast, and color tone. Known for its filter, Visco lets you create artistic photo with just a few taps, making your images more attractive to buyers. Now let's look at the editing tips. Adjust the brightness and contrast to make your photo pop. Crop your images to improve the composition. Use filters sparingly to enhance the mood of your photo, but keep them natural looking for stock purposes. Step number 4, upload and tag your photos. The photos are ready. It's time to upload them. This important part. Tagging your photos correctly is what helps them get discovered by buyers. Here is how to do it effectively. First thing is to use descriptive titles and tags. When uploading, add keywords that describe the photo clearly. For example, if your photo is of a sunset at the beach, you could use tags like sunset, beach, nature, evening, summer, vacation. The more relevant your tags are, the better chance your photo has being found. Multiple keywords. Platforms allow you to add multiple tags. So think about the different ways someone might search for your image. For example, a picture of coffee on a table can have tags like coffee, breakfast, morning, food. Write a short description, a brief description of what in the image. Be specific and use keywords that people might use to search for stock photos. For instance, a cup of coffee on a wooden table next to a notebook in natural morning light is a good example. Many stock photo platforms allows you to share your work on social media. Putting your image can drive more traffic to your portfolio, resulting in more sales. Share your best photo on social media and include link to your stock photo portfolio. Use relevant hashtag to reach audience. Various social media handle, you need to post about your new upload and encourage your friends or followers to check them out. You have to keep uploading and earn passive income. The great thing about selling stock photo is that once your photo are uploaded, they can continue earning money over time. It's passive income. Here is how to maximize your earning. You have to upload consistently. The more photos you upload, the better your chance of making sales. To upload a new batch of photo regularly, even if it's just a few every week. Follow trends. Pay attention to what's trending in stock photography and create content that fits current needs. For example, during holiday seasons, photos of festive decoration, gifts and celebration are in high demand. For photo missions, like photo missions, where brands request specific types of images. These missions usually come with higher payout if your image is chosen. So, with just your smartphone, you can turn your everyday photo into an income by selling them as stock photo. It's a great way to earn passive income with minimal effort once you have uploaded your images. Start taking photos today and you could be earning money in no time. Which platform are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more making tips. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for more tips on how to make money online using your smartphone. Share this video to friends who loves taking photos too. Thank you so much. Bye.